Hello friends, thank you all who have visited our YouTube channel or the video that we have posted last week and share their valuable comments to us. It means a lot and feel free to share your query, your suggestion in order to improve our another video so that we'll make sure to make these videos useful for you guys. Okay, so as part of this, we have targeted the second program here and it's to calculate the salary of an employee given his basic pay take as input from users so that this part will provide as an input for this program from our end. Then we need to calculate the gross salary. In gross salary we need to make sure that 10% you will get as part of HRA in your basic salary move, and 5% will be the 5% will be the TA component of your basic salary. Okay, and then we need to calculate it this gross salary, and after once the gross salary will be once the gross salary will be calculated, then we need to make sure that 2% of professional tax will also be deducted on gross salary. At last, what we need to calculate the net salary payable after deduction. Okay, so let's move into the programming part of it. You can see that the very first one is we have define a class with name salary. In salary, you know that there are a number of attributes associated with it, like what is the TA, what is the DA, what is the HRA, what is the basic component of the salary, etc., etc. But we have only considered the points or the attributes that mentioned in your syllabus. So the very first thing is the basic salary or basic pay of the employee. We have defined the data type as float. Okay, because salary can be both in integer as well as float, so we have defined the data type as float, and it will be stored, your basic salary will be stored in object self.basic. Then HRA will be stored in self.hra. How it's calculated, it's 10% of your basic salary, so it will calculate the HRA as 10% of your basic salary. Then 5% will be your TA, that will be stored in self.ta, and then 2% of tax, professional tax. Okay, and it will be deducted on your gross salary. Then below that we have calculated the gross salary, and this is the formula that we have defined, that is self.basic plus self.hra plus self.ta. That is, it will calculate all these value and it will return the gross salary. Then net payable salary. How that net payable salary can be calculated? It's nothing but it can be calculated by this formula that we have defined here, that is gross salaries, that gross salary will be stored in cell.calculate gross salary, and net salary will be calculated on gross salary minus 2% of your gross salary. So it will return the net salary what after deduction, 2% deduction of professional tax. This is the main part of your program. This is the special character, special function that I have mentioned in my last programming Python. This is the special variable in the Python, which will a built-in, which is actually a built-in variable, which evaluates to the name of the current module. So it will call the main part of the program. Let's run the program and see how we are getting the result on it. Now it's asking you to input the basic salary. For example, if I'll input the basic salary of a person is 2500, what will be the rest components of the salary? Let's see. Okay, so you can see that after inputting, after providing value of 2500 as a basic salary, it has calculated 250 will be your HRA out of 2500, that is 10%. Then 125 will be your TA out of 2500, so it will calculate the gross salary as 2875. Now net salary it has printed by calculating or after deducting the 2% of professional tax. So after whole calculation, that is including all this HRATA and 2% professional tax, the person will get net salary as a 2817. So this is the simple program that we have designed for you as part of the second program of for our YouTube video. Feel free to share your comments, your feedback, your queries. We'll try to sort it out as early as possible. Stay safe, stay at home, and thank you for watching our video. Bye bye.